Now, good morning, children. Welcome to our class, Amma. Now, let's see next one. Addition on the number line. Add 21 plus 6. So, first I take a number line, Amma. And a number line I have shown from 20 to 29 numbers because I need 21. Yes, 21. I will starting from 21. That's why I taking from 20. 20 nunchi I will take it. Now 21. You are starting from where is it, Amma? 21, because here getting 21 plus 6. So you are starting from 21. 21 after how many numbers? 21 after, count it children, 6. 21 after 6, count it children. Now 21 after 6 steps forward. You moving on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you get, which number you get, Amma? 27. So 21 plus 6, you get 27. What is your result or what is your sum? 27. 21 plus 6, you get 27. You are starting from 21. You moving 6 steps forward on the number line. You count it 21 after 6. Not starting from 21. 21 after you count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get which number you get? You are reaching 27. So what is the result? 27. Now you should write in this box 27. Now let's see next one. What is the next problem? Add 49 plus 8. Now again you are starting from, first you should take a number line. You are starting from 47 or okay, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, now 56, no 57. Okay, got it children? What is our number? 49 plus 8. So you are starting from, where is it, Amma? You are starting from 49. Okay. Counting to 49. Where is it 49? Here is there 49. You are counting 49 after 8. 49 after 8. So 8 steps forward and moving on the number line. First count it, Amma, 49 after 8. 49, here is the 49 after 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you are reaching 57. So you get how much, Amma? 57. So 49 plus 8. So you get 57. What is your answer? 57. You should write in this box 57. You are counting 49 after 8 steps forward, moving on the number line. Okay. 49 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you are reaching 57. What is your answer? 57. Now please copy it, Amma. Write in your class works and do in your test book also, Amma. Okay. Now what is today homework, Amma? That is page number 44. Page number 44. Doing your test book. Okay, this number lines. Show on textbook. Shall I rough it, Amma? Now next, addition and carrying over. Addition and carrying over. Okay. Now please write it. First one. You put in this box, or which one is a carry? Okay, look at this, Amma. What is the next bit? Addition and carrying over. Addition and carrying over. Now coming from first number is 38. In your 39, in your 38, 8 is the ones, 3 is the tens. Now plus 4. Now first addition from where is it, Amma? Coming from ones. In your ones, 8 plus 4. You add this both, Amma, 8 plus 4. Now 8 is a keep in mind. 8 is a keep in mind, okay. 8 after 4 fingers show. 8 after 4 show on your fingers. Already 8 is a keep in mind. Now count it 8 after your count. You will start from 8 after. 8 after. This first number keep in mind. This second number show on fingers. Okay, you can understand. Now your counting start from 8 after. 8 after 9, 10, 11, now 12. You get how much, Amma? 12. In 12, you know that. In your 12, 2 is the ones, 1 is the tens. In 12, 2 is the ones, 1 is the tens. So this 2 keep in ones place. This 2 keep in ones place. This one is a carry over to tens. Okay. This one is carry over to tens. Now 3 plus 1. Now 3 plus 1. You get 4. This 4. You should write in tens place. You can understand. Now coming from second problem. 8 plus 8. This first 8 is a keep in mind. Now this second 8 show on your fingers. Now you are counting 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Again you get 16. In your 16, now 6 is the ones, Amma. 6 is the ones. So 1 is the tens. So 6 is you should write in a 6 ones place. Now 1 is a carry over to tens. Okay. Now 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 you get 3. 2 plus 1 you get 3. The 3 is kept in your mind. This 6 is show on your fingers. Okay. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 9. This 9 keep in tens. Okay. Now next one, Amma. Coming from third problem. 18 plus 56. 18 plus 56. Coming from ones. Always addition start from ones. That is kept in your mind. Again this 8 is kept in your mind, Amma. First number is 8. That's 8 kept in your mind. 8 after 6. This 6 is shown on your fingers. You are counting your 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you get in 14. In 14, 4 is the ones, 1 is the tens. So 1 is the carry over. Okay. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 7. That is a keeping tens column. Now next coming to the sum, 71 plus 19. So coming from 1 plus 9. 9 after 1. 9 after 10. So 1 plus 9 is the 10. In your 10, 0 is the ones, 1 is the 10. So 0 is a keep down. Now 1 is carry over to tens. Okay. Now 1 plus 7, 7 after 1. 8. Again 8 after 1. 8 after 9. So you get 9. That is a keeping tens. Okay. You can understand children how to carry the two. You get two numbers. How to carry the you can learn. Okay. Only in your 12. 12 is a 2 is a ones, 1 is a 10. So 2 is a keep down, 1 is carry over. Please copy it. Okay, Amma. No, thank you.